Friends, are you facing all apps keep stopping in your Android phone or any particular app is crashing in your phone? So here is the solution step by step. So first of all, you can see apps are there. if you are if if you already have downloaded the app but you are opening the app and you are getting the problem of keep stopping, keep crashing like that. So simple, what you just need to do is you have to go to Play Store. So here we will click on that, and after that click on your profile on your picture right hand corner, and then you have to click on manage apps and devices. Now you just need to click on no harmful apps found. So click on this, and now you just need to click on scan. This simple step will fix the problem. So now this is scanning that no harmful app found in the phone. So we will go back, and now we will again go to phone settings. So you can see phone settings is here. Click on this, find the apps option. You can see, let's tap on it. Tap on app management. Find the particular app you are facing the problem with. For example, let's click on Facebook. Click on Force Stop. Tap on here. Now go to storage usage. Click on clear cache. You can see now clear this. Now click on manage space, or you can see if apart from Facebook you are facing a problem with another app, so you will get a data option here. So click on it, manage space, read the lines carefully, read the message carefully. This app data including files and setting will be permanently deleted from this device. So you have to click on delete if you want. Either you can go back. If you want to fix the problem properly, you will have to do this. Click on it, go back, and also here if you are not able to get the solution after doing these two steps, so simply you just go to Play Store. I am giving the example with another app. You can try with the same app. For example, Google Chrome. The update is required. Okay, so simply what you can do is you can uninstall the app. Sometimes what happens is after updating the app, you can fix the problem. The problem will be fixed. Either if the problem is still persisting, you have to uninstall the app and then update the app. Okay, so you can uninstall and then after you can update, or directly you can update. So let's update here. Open it and use it. I hope this video is going to help you out to fix the problem. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.